Hi, I'm Jeff here at Whirlwind Family Farm, and just happened to be standing out in this part of the farm this morning. I wanted to show you something. I'm going to flip the camera around, and it really, unless you've raised okra before, you just don't realize how much it blooms. So let's flip it around, and if you look, the blooms are absolutely incredible as I come in here on this one. And if we go up above and look over, this is close to 300 plants. I think maybe it's around 250, 280 that we planted in here. And you could just see it's just so many yellow blooms. And early in the morning is when they do bloom, is they have to attract those pollinators. And of course, once they get pollinated, then they start to produce fruit, as we can see right there. As you can see that okra and how well this is doing. This okra is really at its peak performance right now. We're here in late July. Even though we've had more overcast days this year, it's been warm enough. Plenty of water for sure. We've had tons of rain here in the Texas Hill Country, so plenty of rain. And again, you can see that okra is doing extremely well. Just about every one of these stalks has multiple okra on it, and we actually harvested yesterday. So this is the very next morning. As you can see, okra everywhere. So really doing well, as you can see here behind me. And even though we've had a ton of rain and we're having to replant some things, and we've already ordered our seeds for the fall. It's hard to believe here in about 10 days, we're gonna start our fall planting. We'll go back with a lot of our salad mixes, lettuce mixes, Swiss chard. We'll go back with some cucumbers. The cucumbers don't do as well in the fall. We'll have some that we'll get through late summer. And pumpkins. We'll have our pumpkins back up in the northern part, back up here. That's where we have our cantaloupe. Cantaloupe season is over with. A lot of the rain just did them in. So it's that season, that's time when we're replanting. Yesterday we got some planting done with some bush beans, green beans. This row should start germinating here within about 4 to 5 days. You'll start to see them popping up. So it's hard to believe we're at the end of July and that fall season of planting is upon us. No, it's not fall yet, but getting those plants in the ground and getting those things, seed trays or direct seeding, it's that time of year. And again, it's always nice to look around and see that okra doing so well, as you can see those thousands of blooms. And it's just a cool thing to check out. We always appreciate when you find our channel here at Whirlwind Family Farm. I'm Jeff, as I said, here at Whirlwind Family Farm, and we appreciate your time. We always have another video right here you can check out. They'll take you further along in that gardening process. Blessings over you, your family, your garden. Talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm.